So Scotty and Xander have been working on making a little more substantial brackets. Those are much more substantial. We'll actually clean those up real nice and paint them nice and kind of around the edges on them too, make them a little bit nicer. But you get the idea because it's way better than this flimsy BS down here. So while they're doing that, I am working on starting to route our lines. So our high side is going to go from the compressor to here on the condenser. Then we'll go out the condenser into the dryer, and then from the dryer into the car to the expansion valve. But, you know, the expansion valve's still just sitting here on the table because we got to get this part figured out first. So I'm going to definitely route this end and just kind of make it long. So this half is done. And then the other side, for the low side, I'll route it back so it's done. I'm probably going to end up, as I do not want to go and interfere here with our throttle or any of that. So I'm more than likely going to take and route our low side out and around, and we'll actually route them on the other side of the booster there and then in. So get that going. I'm going to crimp this first, have this ready, get that side ready, and carry on.